So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I will be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. And now you want to expand software. And now you want to expand policies. And now you want to expand Microsoft. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. And now we're going to find Windows. You want to expand Windows. So now make sure that you're on the Windows folder. And then once you're on the Windows folder, you want to right click on it. And then click on New. And then click on Key. You want to call this LAN Man Workstation. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did. And then click on Enter. Now you want to click on the LAN Man Workstation folder. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you're on this, you just want to right click on the white space and then click on New and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this Allow Insecure Guest Auth. Again, spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did and then click on Enter. And now once you have this, you're going to double click on it. And now in this box right here, you're going to type in the number 1. So under validator, you're going to type in the number 1 and then click on OK. And this should now fix your problem. If the problem is still not fixed, then you just want to restore your computer and then the problem should be fixed.